A high quality marketing strategy requires a lot of study and preparation before a brand can dive into all the subcategories of marketing, such as email marketing and so on. Their marketing team needs to have a solid understanding of this basic marketing concept, that is, the 4 P's of marketing. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today I am going to talk about the 4 P's of marketing and how you can apply this to your own company. The 4 P's, also known as marketing mix, are the foundation for any sane marketing strategy. The 4 P's are product, price, place, and promotion. These four are equally important, and if any one of them are missing or not properly executed, your strategy won't generate proper results. Individually, they are important, but together, they are very strong. Also, in the end, I have shared detailed examples of how a company can gain visibility by implementing these 4 P's. You can also directly skip to examples if you already have some basic ideas of these 4 P's. Now let's discuss them in detail. First is product. It is the actual product and service you sell. So, what is a good product? Well, it is one that solves your consumer's problem. The problem can be mental, physical, or emotional. So, while offering a product or service, you should consider two things. First, what problems are you solving? And second, what makes your product different from others? And once you have a proper answer, you can move to the next P, that is price. Price is how much you charge for your product or service. You need to consider one thing, that is, whether your product is priced appropriately or not. It has to be set such that it is not too costly that people do not buy, and should not be too cheap that you end up getting a huge loss. There are various factors that influence the price of the product. These factors include the demand of the product, cost of raw material, labor work, place of manufacturing, etc. Hence, the price of product often fluctuates. Make sure that your audience is willing to pay the price you set. Now, let's talk about the next P, and that is place. Place here simply means the location where you sell your product. Just think of it in this way. If a company A selling professional IT services is using TikTok to communicate, do you think they would generate huge revenue? No, right? For this company A, Google or LinkedIn is the best place to be, where they could find customers for their services. So, choose a proper location where it is on online platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, etc. or offline platforms such as in which city, state it is going to be, etc. You can consider these two questions while choosing the right place for your business. First, where are my customers? And second, where are my competitors? Find them and then choose the location accordingly. The fourth and the last P is promotion. Promotion is the process of spreading awareness among your targeted audience, which ultimately leads to an increase in sales. Digital marketing activities such as email marketing, advertising, and social media management should be considered while promotion of your business. After that, recognize where your target audience spends their time, offline or online, and what kind of message does your target audience respond to the most. So, these 4 P's of marketing can help you to stand out from your competitors. Consider all of these elements is one way to approach a holistic marketing strategy. Many companies have implemented these 4 P's while making their marketing strategies. Let's take McDonald's as an example. The company's corporate standards for productivity are implemented in the management of each company-owned and franchise location. McDonald's marketing mix also varies depending on the condition of local and regional marketing. For example, McDonald's promotion tactics and methods favor print media in countries where such medium is most popular, whereas television is prioritized in other areas. The specifics of 4P variables define the various strategies and tactics that McDonald's use in executing its marketing plan and achieving related strategic goals in order to expand the worldwide restaurant chains. For example, on the screen you can see how McDonald's have used the 4 P's of marketing mix to create their strategies. Like they have products for all the 3 age groups like Happy Meal for children, Maxi Best for teenagers and parents. McDonald's has kept its price at bay so that even a common man can afford it. If we talk about place, the decoration of the restaurant is really cozy and have a game zone especially for kids. And last but not the least, they have used every social media platform to promote their product. Now, you guys tell me how you are leveraging the 4 P's of marketing and is it helping you drive profits? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to know how you can market your business for free, I have shared my video URL in the comment section below. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.